Welcome to the Adventures of Carlienne channel. I'm Carl, and thanks for tuning into our cooking series, where we share anything and everything we love about that kitchen life. January, we're kicking off our egg challenge. So every day in January, we're going to be putting out a video of how to make a different type of egg. So I hope you're ready. Let's go.
Recording.
Soy sauce tea eggs, or just tea eggs as I knew them growing up. Pretty common snack in China, and they're good all the time. So let's give this a try.